I want to get some real information on what we've got steering wise, parts wise. Now, here we are. We're in the helm. So, let's have a little look what we've got. Looking around. This can be seriously brought back. Yeah. Look at this. Just amazing. Right. Let's have a little recap and see what we got. Now, look at this little rock. We're looking at the electrics in the pilot section of the helm where the control panel is. Now if we look at some of these cables, some of these wires here, I mean look at them, they are just, you know, a lot of these are original, and I'd say a lot of these have been added on to around 2008. Three steps. Take it life in your own hand, you've got to see. These are lovely, but I think they're too steep. They're a lovely set of steps, but do they need to be that steep? We've got an original shower floor which goes into the bilge. Basically, this is how this used to work. They'd have a shower. There's a little shower head over there, that would be look. They'd have a shower, and then the water would just go straight down to the bilge, and the bilge pump would deal with it. That's not going to happen. You know, we have the old pump out handle. I wonder, you know, if you ever to need mirrors, and you know, probably not. But look at this, look. It's not that much needed, even if you put a fascias on this. Look at this, got an escape hatch in the loo. And there we are, the mirror and myself. All this is coming out. This is all junk. That's the battery charger. Look at them exhaust pipes. Look at that. I really don't know. I mean, I'm looking at that one here. We're just not going to need them. You know, I mean, we obviously need the end section. Obviously, it's just going to have to be reduced. I mean, I don't even know. I mean, it's incredible, isn't it? Little tank. You can see where the blue section on the top, just like it was in its heyday. You can then see there's a white below that, and then that's where the red start. Unfortunately, we can still see where the red actually separates from the white to the blue, so we can keep our pattern. And someone spent a long time basically prepping this, and I've done quite a good job. And the hull itself looks immense. It looks brilliant. Let's get going, shall we? Let's get going. They don't separate today. I'm glad you can't see this bit. Right, now let's see what we like. That, yeah, I can pull that up. I can get a rope. Whee, look at that. What's up? Apart from this hook on the end, but I can live with that. Now, we'll tighten something. Down the other side, and get that bit secured. Down the other side, we've got one done. Now we just need strapping down. Next one to do. Well, I'm getting ahead of myself. Okie dokie. That's one done. It's not secure yet, but to be honest, I don't think I'm going to worry about that. I've just looked at this. I just realised that this rail, it's typical, is actually going behind these supports. So I've got to pull the whole thing completely out. I'll keep that bit of rope. That was no easy task. I could do this. See these gloves? They've stopped working. What you're seeing here is the beginning. We're vacuuming up all the nails. I'm not bothering picking them up. And in 6 months' time, what you'll still be seeing is the beginning. Let's go. We need to get to this area at some point. We need to mount an engine control panel there. Right, well, which I'll show you shortly, so I can't reach the camera from here. I'm too far away. No, I can't do it. So I need to get to this. And relatively soon, batteries here, engine here, what's there, exhaust volume on the roof, panel to roof. Plan B. I got plan A yet. I'm just banking, I'm going to cut that many, they'll just drop down. It's all coming out. Oh dear. that's nuts, isn't it? I'm bloody crazy. Right then, onwards and upwards. So I'm going to have to pull. I can't believe it. Where did I stand there? 25 in, and I took the angle measurement. This is going to be genuinely the first time. It is what it is. That's it. Look at that. We're looking good. Not too bad. Right. Think about this. What's sitting here is an 8x4 panel with very little outtake. So I had 2 panels, 8x4 hardwood. I've got a quarter of one left, and I've done the inner wall and the galley, and I've done this. 2 panels. The boat will eat wood. Get onto the edge, which is there. So I end up with a piece of trim here, coming down. That will then taper off here. This trim will go right to the floor, and then there'll be another one coming up here, and it will follow around. And this piece at the top, there's no trim, no need, because this is where our console sits. So the whole panel, apart from this very small piece here, which I might even trim down just to make it look nice, will come in. So, plate, we know it's a tight fit. That's what we want. That'll sit there. Plenty of room for the switches. This panel. If this was a massive big panel or a table, you wouldn't want it. The more shine you give something, the more error you'll bring out of what you're working on. And it'll be something you can't control. It's just there. And the varnish and the sprays and the lacquers will bring it all out, and you'll think, oh my God, that was terrible.